Hey everyone, I'm going to show you a few programs that can really clean up your computer and make it faster. A few of the programs are built into Windows 10, but there is one that I use that is not. So if you're very basic with technology, you would most likely have the search bar down here. Just type in clean and just do a disk cleanup. If you have more than one hard drive, you can go through all of them, but yeah, just click on this, do okay. You can clean all of this really, unless there's stuff you want to keep, but I usually just clean what is already ticked and leave the rest. Downloaded program files I wouldn't do unless you want to delete downloaded program files, but I've got none at the moment, so just do that. And that's one of the programs. The second one is definitely this defrag. So type in your search bar down the bottom, disk, and it should just pop up. I've already done all this. I have all my hard drives up to date pretty much. I'm going to do it now though. I'm going to optimize every single one of them. It just makes every hard drive quicker, more responsive by shuffling around files and stuff to create more space in a way. It's really good. But CCleaner, you should download CCleaner. It's really awesome. Just type in CCleaner free into Google or whatever you use on the Internet Explorer. Pretty much, I'll show you exactly why I like it. For a very few reasons. Like, you can clean pretty much a lot of stuff, like through Internet Explorer, Windows Explorer, the system. Pretty much just click analyze, just leave everything how it is. Don't really tick anything that you don't know. Just let the program do whatever, and then just click run cleaner after you analyze, and then that's all the stuff that's got cleaned. That's really good. But also I really like it because you can delete errors in the PC itself, and then pretty much just scan for issues and then fix all selected issues, and then but another reason, because you may have slow applications or programs running in the background. For example, I don't want NordVPN running in the background or whatever. You can pretty much just click, see, I've already got it disabled, but for example, you can just click disable and then it won't run on startup. There's a lot of stuff here, so all this stuff right here I'm gonna disable. Like Microsoft Edge, I don't want it to update as well, because I don't use Microsoft Edge, which is Microsoft's Google. Go into Windows services on this application as well. There's a lot of stuff that I have disabled, so pretty much just disable it, and then if you really don't want it to come back, you can also delete it from this list. But it's so simple. And then pretty much, if there's files that you don't want, go to uninstall. There might be files that actually really do slow your PC down as well. Mine, I don't really have that much because I've already done this, but really good application. And no, I'm not sponsored or anything by CCleaner. It's just a free application for me, and it makes my computer really quick, and they're just free programs that you can download. Well, actually, one program you can download, the other two are built into Windows. Very simple to do for basic people that are not good with technology, computers and laptops. And it will boost your computer speed, it will make it faster, it will boot up faster. So if you're waiting there for 5 minutes and your computer's still not turning on, this could be a problem, and it could be fixed by doing one of these, using one of these programs. So hopefully you liked the video, subscribe if it helped, and let me know how it goes with your computer or laptop, and subscribe if you'd like. That'll be great. Thank you for watching.